在画鞋的过程中呢，我偶尔会碰到这样的惊吓，大脑会空白3秒钟，然后开始飞速运转，考虑如何弥补这样的失误。可是，如果它一开始就不是个失误呢
？Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul, I ain't this fucking cold, yeah. That's just how it goes. These days I don't get no sleep. Fuck 'em all, they don't know me. Couple minutes and I'll be good. Let me drink my coffee. Back up. That's the greeting you gon' get if you step up. Messed up, what I been and done when I tense up. That patience wearing out, playing dress up. Big sales on them big meals. Got a pocket full of coupons, we gon' eat well. And you know I got them refills. Got my dimes and the coffee Vince playing on the JBL. Lately I don't go to sleep unless the sun is up. Think I'm wasting all this time feeling kinda stuck. Not enough reps on the chest, who the fuck does legs now? Way too busy feeling stressed out. I'm just tryna get ahead now. Going out, I'm just tryna get ahead now. Been a while since I stepped out. Too young, waited out, dropped out from the school, so I woke up at 11 o'clock. I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul, I ain't this fucking cold. That's just how it goes. These days I don't get no sleep. Fuck 'em all, they don't know me. Couple minutes and I'll be good. Drink my coffee. Feeling good don't last a long time. Been a long time coming, hitting stop signs. Cross faded till I'm cross-eyed. Lost my sense of who I was, who I am. It's the wrong guy. Thoughts gon' multiply, boss with it. Be a boss with it, cost with it. What this motherfucker costing me constantly. Run your little mouth off, knock your smile off. What you bout now? You gon' bow down right about now. Not the type to hit the backspace. I ain't got no time to fuck around. Like them bitches up on Backpage. One of the days I don't gotta chase, cause we backstage. Savor in my brain, anything but the cachet. I need my caffeine, I need my caffeine. Go get my coffee, I need my coffee. I need my caffeine, I need my caffeine. Go get my coffee, I need my coffee.
Just whenever he for him, please go. For him, just need to know how on his way. Come to me.
好了，这双鞋画好了，然后我是给我弟画的，自己夸自己是不是不太好？但是我觉得这双鞋的效果真的是太好了，要不就不送了吧，我留下来自己穿，可惜不是我的码。那么他作为一个弟弟，从小长到大穿的衣服绝大多数都是我穿过的，那么这双鞋呢，我不穿一下都不好意思送给他，所以呢，勉为其难，我借他的鞋凹两个造型。
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems.
好的，那么这双鞋的效果你们喜不喜欢呢？我觉得它的制作过程也是非常简单的，感兴趣的朋友可以自己在家里尝试一下，我觉得做出一样的效果是没有问题的。那么本期的节目到这里就结束了，我们下期再见，谢谢，拜拜。